So hi, my name is Dr. Melanie Levick-Parkin. I teach postgraduate design students at Sheffield Hallam University in the UK. I'm a feminist design researcher and I'm interested in how gendered power relations have materialized consequences through design. In the last few years, I've started to connect my research to ecofeminist critique to help me imagine and propose design practices that contribute to livable futures for all kin. The subject we're working on with the students this week is exploring ecofeminist perspectives through communication design. It's about how we might develop new ways of producing design ethics and structures that can de-center and negate patriarchal, capitalist, racist, and misogynist value structures that really support systems of environmental destruction and social inequality. The project work is not so much about providing answers, but about encouraging students to ask questions worth asking, both of themselves and their audiences. They've tested some very experimental design research methods. They're visually exploring concepts of ownership, pollution, purity, impurity, safety, poverty, and waste, amongst many other things. They are semiotically analyzing how AI reproduces misogynist and white supremacist biases in the way that it produces and constructs images. Above all, they're thinking really hard and using their skills as designers to make complex questions around these issues and ecofeminist perspectives accessible to a wider audience. So in terms of outputs, we've put two parameters in place. The first one being a simple visual documentation of their learning journey this week, which includes reflections on all their little successes and failures, because we want them to value both. We value both. The second parameter was to focus on a specific and potentially small aspect of all the important insights they've had this week. The task was to find the universal in the specific and to communicate that well. We're grappling with it collectively, and I'm very grateful to have had the opportunity to spend this time with them.